In this video, I will told you how to add checkbox in Excel. Here is three ways. Click here like this one, and second ways, third ways. Okay. So I will show you how to do it step by step. So here is a first method. Click here and select the range you want. Click insert. That insert you will find a checkbox. Just click here. Okay, here we create a checkbox. So you can click here when your mouse was moved in the center of this box. Just click. So you will find here. Here is the checkbox one, and second one is how we select a range here. You just prepare two sections here, two options here and here. So I will leave this two singles in comments. So select here to data with data in here, click here data validation. So in the setting was set list. In the list we need to click here and select the range you want and click here, click OK. So we got a list. Checklist is a drop down list. Use checkbox. Then the third one, all this one, second one and the second one, first one and the second one was in the sales, so it's a value of sales. So in this first one is a true or false. You can see when I click here, here is in the formula text, here is true, and if I don't checkbox, here is false. So the third one was here, click here was developer, but someone's computers didn't have developer, so we need to click file and options. In options we need to custom ribbon. In here we select here developers. So okay, then you will find a developers. In the developers we select insert. Then here the third one was checkbox. Click here and we draw a range here and double click, delete the text. Then right click here is a format control. Then can click control with sales link. So you can click here with this link or this sales, any sales you want. Click here and just click OK. Then when we click here, click the checkbox, then it will be a true or false. This one was the upper sales. He can move anything anywhere you want, but it can't be less size. It can be zoom or can be more or bigger, smaller or bigger. It's not okay. So here is the first checkbox, and if I want to copy to the second one, it's just click here, copy, Control C and Control V. So I click here, it change both here and here. It's done okay. So we need to click second to setting it to format control. In the format control we need to sales link, just change to the second sales. And this was not, if you click more checkbox, you need to always repeat and repeat. This is not based you into situations. Choose the right checkbox to help you. If you have any questions, please let me know.